There's a moment when the uniform comes off for the last time. The silence that follows the constant rhythm of service can be deafening. The world you step back into suddenly feels different, unstructured, vast. For years, your purpose was clear, your mission defined. You knew your role, your team, and the stakes. That structure was your bedrock, a sense of belonging forged in shared challenges and unbreakable trust. But now, stepping into civilian life, it can feel like you're navigating a foreign land without a map. The language is different, the rules unwritten. How do you translate your most intense experiences onto a single page? That blinking cursor on a blank resume can feel like an impossible void. But let me tell you something. Transition isn't about leaving something behind. It's about carrying your strength forward. It's a redeployment of your greatest assets into a new field of operation, a translation of your experience, not an erasure. The discipline, the teamwork, the resilience you built, they're not just military skills. They're life skills. They're your superpowers. The ability to lead with integrity, to adapt under pressure, to solve complex problems with limited resources. That is invaluable in any profession, in any community. I've seen veterans who felt lost at first, unsure where they fit in. They felt their immense experience was invisible to a world that didn't speak their language. It's a lonely, frustrating place to be. But then, they find new missions, becoming teachers who inspire, entrepreneurs who build businesses from the ground up, first responders who protect their communities. They discover the mission wasn't the uniform, it was the purpose. And that purpose can be found and forged again, stronger than ever. Many veterans find their next calling as mentors, guiding the next generation. Others step up as community leaders, using their voices to advocate for change and build stronger neighborhoods. They take that same relentless drive from their service and channel it into new missions, making a tangible impact right where they land. But the path forward isn't always a straight line. It's normal to feel uncertain after a life of structure. Acknowledging that is the first step. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's a strategic move to gather your allies, because you are not alone. There's a vast network of brothers and sisters who have walked this path, who understand the challenges and the triumphs in a way no one else can. And beyond them, a whole community of family and friends is out here cheering for you, ready to lift you up. Remember, your story isn't over. You're simply turning the page. The chapter on military service may be ending, but a new one, full of unknown possibilities, is just beginning. The courage you showed in service isn't a memory. It's a part of you, forged in fire and ready to be redeployed for the challenges ahead. The civilian world needs your leadership, honed under pressure. It needs your experience, your ability to adapt and overcome. And it needs your heart, your commitment to the people beside you. So take that next step, even if it feels small. Reach out to a transition program, enroll in that class, try something new. Your next mission is waiting. You've got this.